Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a long time since I recorded the last video. This is a special one. This video I am going to talk to you about my new PC unboxing. So I've got a new HP PC which I'm going to unbox with you guys. If you're new to the channel, just make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification so you don't miss anything. Any important links will be in the description box below, so make sure you keep watching and let's get on with the unboxing. Okay, so it's been a long time since I've upgraded my PC, and obviously for YouTube purposes you need quite a powerful machine. So I picked this up on a Black Friday deal. I've been searching and scouring the net for a PC that is built for content creation. So I stumbled across this one, and it's the perfect rig for your YouTube editing, or you're just generally if you want to do a bit of gaming, or it's a really good all-rounder. So let me take this out of the box and show you what I have. So let's cut this open. Okay, so we've got the box open. It's quite a big box, so I'm going to put it to a side and start taking the content of the box out and show you. So it comes with a wireless keyboard and mouse. So that's one of the things that I actually wanted, and I would have purchased it separately, but fortunately it actually comes in the box, which I'm grateful for. So this is the keyboard. I don't know if the mouse is inside. Let's take a closer look. Yes, it does. So I'll take the PC out in a bit and explain more about the keyboard. Initial thoughts, it's really nice, slim, slick design. It's got a nice feel to it as well. And this is a wireless mouse on top of that. So it also comes with some batteries, obviously for your wireless keyboard and mouse over here. It comes with a nice little dongle that you can stick into your PC for the wireless to operate. Okay, so as you can see, it's got a USB-C, perfect for a monitor or maybe a docking station, and it's got a memory card reader as well, so that's perfect for that, so you don't actually need an external memory card reader. And you also got 4 USB ports. You know, you're not going to run out of ports because it's got extra 4 USB ports at the back, so I'll show you that in a second. The front ones I believe are 3.0s, and you've got a headphone jack here, and obviously you've got a power button over here. Also you've got a DVD drive, so all thumbs up for the front. And let me take you around the back and show you that. So you have your sound output on the top, and you have the extra for USB as I mentioned earlier. You've got an Ethernet port here, and this is a DVI. You've got a HDMI as well as a monitor output. Alongside with that, obviously you've got power cable which connects over here, and you've got further expansion slots, so if you wanted to add hardware and stuff, they will just slot straight in there. So let me tell you a bit more about the hardware in this, and one of the main reasons why I actually went for this. Now, many PCs, when it comes to editing and gaming and stuff like that, you need quite a bit of memory capacity, especially when it comes to the RAM capacity. So this one's got a 16 gig RAM. On top of that, it's actually got a 32 gig Optane memory as well. Intel actually specialize in. The CPU in this is a Intel i5 hexa-core, and it's a 10th generation CPU. So it's also got a 512 gig M.2 hard drive, SSD hard drive. So it's really good. On top of that, it's got the 32 gig Optane memory as well. And you've got the 5.1 surround sound support. On top of that, you've got Bluetooth, and obviously as you can see, it's got a DVD drive as well. So it doesn't just finish there. It's got an onboard Wi-Fi, as well as that, it's got a dedicated 4 gig NVIDIA GeForce GTX graphics card. So you are absolutely going to love this PC for, even if it's for gaming, editing, photo editing, or anything, even if it's just normal work you're doing at home. So this is my new PC, and I'll be doing all my editing and everything on here, so I hope to pump out a lot more new content. So if you've liked the video, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification. Like I said at the beginning of the video, all the important links will be in the description box below, and make sure you go ahead and comment and tell me what you think about it. So I'll catch you guys on the next video.